It's time to refresh. I've got this refresh spray available on my Etsy page. Just a little bit of spraying through your dry hair. This will help to detangle. It will not weigh down your hair. It's not going to create frizz like if you only use water. You can apply this daily. A very important part of a good refresh where you're not going to get the frizz is to make sure that you smooth the product through your hair. So I'm actually going to gently run my fingers through my hair. If it was a little bit wetter, I would probably use a Denman brush, and then I can go and reshape the curls after that. But this is just very simple, just very quickly run your fingers through the hair. To make sure that I get really good curl form, I'm going to make sure my roots are very wet, the tips are very wet, and I'm going to flip my hair and scrunch. As always, when you're looking underneath, if you see any frizz when your hair is still damp, be sure to apply more product and to smooth it before you do any scrunching. This area on me is always extra dry, so I'm applying extra product and giving some extra smoothing here. Now it's time to scrunch. Just squeeze really tightly, hold in place for several seconds. And be very careful as you come up to bring the hair up together so that you avoid having the hairs rub and cause more frizz. And for the quickest refresh that's going to dry really fast for you, and for the best curls that are going to shrink up really nice and hold the longest, you're going to want a pixie diffuse. Bring the hair up in the bell. Make sure you coax that in there since we're only doing a partial wet, still kind of damp. Then you turn that diffuser on and hold it in place for as long as you can. Baby's in the background. All right, I'm going around. Now, as you can see, I still have a very light cast, and I haven't scrunched it out yet. If I want to, I can just leave it like this. It'll last a little longer. Or I can go ahead and just gently scrunch it, and it will just reveal the softest curls, rope scrunch or regular scrunch, however you want to do it. I just love how this product works. It's just not a heavy product, but it just does such a great job, and it's so fast. So go check it out on Etsy, guys, before it's all gone.